In this video, I'll show you how to use global content across multiple templates in Hubspot so you can make updates once and have them appear everywhere. First, head over to the Marketing tab and locate Files and Templates. If you don't see it, use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you're in Files, you'll see all your files and folders. Open an existing template or create a new one. You can also upload or import files directly if needed. Next, click the plus icon and search for Global Group or Global Module, depending on what you want to add. Select the module and insert it into your template. Once done, save the template and apply it to all the pages where you want the global content to appear. Now, any changes you make to the global content will automatically update across all those pages. That's it. Your global content is now live and synchronized across multiple templates. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more HubSpot tips and tutorials.